on Musk. Did you guys see on TikTok? Have you ever come across this guy named Elon Musk? Like this Chinese guy, and I think they're doing a deep fake to his face, but it's a really good one because like he's even taken off his sunglasses and looks just like the dude. Looks just like Elon Musk, but he's like a Chinese Elon Musk, and he's like, "Hello, I'm Elon Musk." This is really funny. He looks just like him. He's standing in front of a Tesla. Oh my god. Yeah, it is. It's called Elon. If you want to try to find it, it's Elon Musk. ELONG Musk. And he doesn't speak English at all. He has to read like some kind of a Chinese translation, a Chinese, what do they call that? Pronunciation or alliteration. Yeah. So he's looking at his phone. Hello, everyone. Everyone. I Elon Musk. He doesn't act like him. He's just like he's a fan. All right, going live on TikTok as well. We're live over on the other. E wrong. That's what they should have called it. Too funny. All right. Okay, we're live and we've got 16 minutes until the market open. Good morning, everybody. So oil is actually pressing down below yesterday's lows. It's trying to get through that level, but it is going down below yesterday's lows, hitting about 101 dollars per barrel. And so XLE is still hanging out around there at yesterday's lows as well. Most everything is. It looks like, I don't know if that's a blip or what, but XLC just had a big pop. That could have been an earnings result, perhaps, from something in XLC. The VIX is still trending up. It's almost, well, it's currently above yesterday's highest level. So that's not boding well for the market today. Market potentially going to continue downward. It likely is. I mean, yesterday's move, breaking all those lows, was a trigger. Oh, hang on a second. Get some of this VLON going here. Elon Musk. All right, there's breakthrough 225, 228. It is happening. 28. Can you break through 231 to get to the other side? 230, 230. Whoa, yep, it definitely is. Right, taking off 20% in the 232 area. Elon Musk here. Getting all out right in that 229. Okay, and that was that pop. Ooh, we might get another pop. 234. All right, and I'm in. Not gonna break through. Eyes down a little bit. Oh, we are touching 234. Okay. There we go. Okay, getting a little bit more for the break. There it is, 235. Some resistance. Ooh. No, it's just not able to do it. Down. A little bit too heavy on the tape. I'm getting out. If VLON does some more in a second here. Trying to give the market update. Okay. And let's see. Gold. Gold is the next thing to look at here. Wait, hang on. There goes VLON again. VLON. 34, 235. And can it break over 235, 236 this time? Let's see. They work in this area in the lower 230s, VLON. 4225. All right, looks like it is going to break through. Grabbing a little bit more. At 235. Behaving. $237. There we go. Can we get it? Can I see a 239? All right, starting to go crazy now. Getting a lot of volume. Can it be enough to push it up? Sellers are winning. Sellers are winning the fight. It's not really pushing up. It's not really breaking out with a whole heck of a lot of price movement. This VLON. All right, what else we got on the radar this morning? So also, yeah, gold down 1955 down to 1932, which indicates that there could be some buying today. Professionals may be positioning themselves to buy some of this pullback if it's indeed a pullback. I think we're going to be breaking down and retesting those recent all-time. You know what I mean? Recent half-year VLON to see if it wants to do something else here. Get to the 239 level and press into it. I'll grab that right before it breaks over 240. What else? It looks like the industrials are much weaker. The Dow Industrials DIA much weaker than growth. That's very interesting to see. Interesting rotation going on these last 2 days. So growth actually kind of holding before the market opens, holding at yesterday's close. I really don't trust this market right now, so I'd be very careful. We're definitely in a no buy zone as far as all holding things overnight. As far as market based stocks, slightly different story. Oil or coal or energy or any of the other asset classes. Yeah, VLON is trying again. Elon Musk. It seems to be failing. I'm not gonna try anything unless it gets to about 238. All right, we have 7 minutes to the market open. And Cameron, is there anything else on the radar here? Rebecca, anything else that I don't have up? CLF, DWAC, VLON, MITQ, GFI, ANPC. And let me refresh. That BCAP, but I think that one was a buyout. HCDI, but that's only up 10%. And that is pretty much it. It's a Friday. Yeah, so be careful allocating to anything as far as swings go. If some swing alerts come up, I will alert them, but it's going to be at your own discretion whether or not you get in them or not, and it depends on which sector it's coming from, how that sector is doing. Okay, what do you want to know about Roblox? Somebody asked me if I can check Roblox. Continues to go down. Low can it go? To zero. These can go. You can lose all your money. Yeah, no. All right, we got about 6 minutes until the market opens. VLON's chart is positive, so I feel as if when the market opens, if it doesn't screwy here before the market open, that it has some positive potential. And the news on that is surges on review of strategic alternatives. It sounds like they're going to be selling the company. VLON Pharmaceuticals announces review of right now, but sounds like that's the case. Oh yeah, you should just quit that Roblox. Yeah, just sell it. Start making some money on something else. 5 minutes before the open, and VLON is trying to make another move at it. Little nibble at 234 here. Prepare for the cost averaging of potentially getting it at 238. VLON has no revenue stream. I don't know what the excitement is then. Yeah, don't invest in it. What I think about Walmart, it's great right now. Absolutely great. Strong. We got 4 minutes until the market opens. And we're kind of focusing in on VLON, VLON. And I'd like to see if DWAC does something. I'm going to put DWAC up here as well. Not a lot of volume going on DWAC, though. Let's see what happens. Full day of growth on VLON? Oh, hell no. Not behaving too well. It's just a day trade, some kind of probably quick scalps. We've got 2 minutes and 50 seconds before the open. And I'll buy into VLON if it can get up near 238, 239 for the break over 240. That could pop it. That could pop it up to the 250s. Is Webull better than Thinkorswim? No, no. But it might be easier to use for sure. Kind of depends though. You know, once you get set up, everything dialed in and set up on Thinkorswim, it's not too bad. All right, 2 minutes before the open. Shopify short continuation could be happening today. Give it the first 5 or 10 minutes for confirmation. And also, what was the other one? Corsair, CRSR Gaming. Go short on it if it breaks the 10-minute low after minute 10. RSR. All right, we got a minute and 30 seconds. Opens. All right, there's 238. Start to size into this potential breakout that's coming up on VLON. 237, 238, adding more, 239. All right, and now it's breaking over 240. Odd resistance at the 240 level. It spiked to 241 for briefly. Got 55 seconds before the market opens. 242. One. 2. 29 seconds before the open. $15 seconds. 42.41. And there was a spike up to 243. 45, 47, 49, 50, 51. Right, 50, there's a fight in the 50s. 51, 52, 53, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 50, 50, 46. All right, I'm getting mostly all out on that. And I'll get back. Okay, I am all out. And now it's breaking again. I'll wait for the break at 259 next. Can't do it. That was VLONs. That was just a quick opening trade. 49. Not interested till it can get up to 259. Right in underneath that level. But it is up. Or VLON. Float feels pretty thick. I didn't check what the float is, but it feels like, I don't know, a little thick. Maybe 60. How close am I? I love guessing that shit. Maybe more, 70 million. Not too small. VLON. Float. Ooh, it's only 4 million. Wow, very interesting. All right, this could really pop then. All right, getting a nibble if it gets to 254. All right, there, I've nibbled. 57, 58, 59, that's where I'll size up. 57, 58, 59, there's 60. All right, we're breaking over 60. 5. Taking a little bit off the table there at 267, 269. 4. 1. Not really pushing. All right, I'm all out, and I'm waiting for the 269 push. There's 268. Sell off. Supposed to be all out. Oh, there we go. Button. All right, big pullback there to the mid 50s. $3.2 million float. Yeah, boy, I was way off. Is it hard if you start trading? Yes, it takes a long time to learn. A lot of people think that when you learn how to trade like a winning trader, to all of a sudden all you're going to be doing is winning. No, a winning trader loses 70% of the trades they make. Can't handle losing. This is not for you, because you have to master losing. All right, looks like VLON is going to go rest. The market itself in growth is rallying. That's good. Birds fail before they fly, for sure. Like that. A lot of good analogies in surfing. Because a trader is just someone who's capitalizing on the waves. Want big returns, and you go out there and you start trading the big waves, and you're just starting out. Couldn't have put yourself in a worse situation. That I don't see the alert. NAT. Elon's starting to make a move up again, but I'm going to check out NAT. That's natural gas, isn't it? That's high volume on A10. Elon's starting to indicate that it may push up again. Going to take a small starter right there. Don't go surfing if the waves suck. That's another one. Yep. High goes out, head to high ground. Yep. Getting all out of my little nibble there. Well, I am self-taught, but I've learned from all the masters. So, I think everybody has to be self-taught in this. Well, you could become a prop trader. You could look for proposition trading. You could look that up. Prop trading is where you get trained by a firm, which gives you money and hopes to turn you into a great trader. And then you work for them, trading their money. But by the way, that's not necessarily as lucrative as it sounds. But yeah, at least it's free training. Nibbling again over on VLON. Let's to see what will happen here. It looks like it might base out here in the upper 240s. I did want to see A10. Let's see. A10. Not a lot of volume going on, but I have a little position there as well. Oh, all out on VLON. VLON's dumping. Elon Musk. What does nibbling mean? So a normal day trading position for me could get up to about 25 or 50% of my day trading portfolio power. But a nibble might be just 1%. And now VLON's coming way up. Huge interest after the dump. We were talking about this last night about how a shakeout increases the health, the overall health of the stock. Trying to see what it's going to do at 259. There we go. All right, there's another little break there. We've got liquidity drops, shakeouts, and shake-ups going on both sides around 253. What are you going to do, VLON? Yeah. We need VLON Musk to tweet something. Elon Musk is the new like Donald Trump. I mean, like whatever he says moves the market. Elon said he's going to blah, 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 blah. Anything happening, Cameron, Rebecca? All right, I'm going to size down on VLON as it pulls back here. It's like such a huge delay between them actually tells you that it's doing that. All right, we're coming up on the 10th minute where you can buy into, I'll be getting into Shopify. I'll be increasing my position on Shop. VLON is dumping. You don't want to be in VLON. Trades over at A10 also. Increasing my short on Shopify. Looks like it's going to continue. The market itself is dumping now. I'm going to exit pretty much all positions. I'm going to get out of my E-dry position and my target position. Because these kinds of pressures either cause your stocks to go down or go sideways. Very rare that they'll go up on broad market decline. Very rare. And the other one is Corsair. What's Corsair going to do? Corsair's moving up, so that's not a short. So that shows kind of the different decisions you can make there. The VIX moving up to 24 now as the market drops further. This is what I would expect. This is correct behavior. This is the predictable pivot break behavior from the market. And we should see it now go and move down and test the recent all-time lows. Yeah, you got to watch out with pattern day trading rule. I don't recommend anybody day trade unless you have a $30,000 account. Until then, you can swing trade up to $30,000. And that should be where you do not day trade anything below $30,000. Yeah, see, two strongly indicating down days on target, for example, it could be anything. That's definitely a good idea to size down or size or get out. You can never really be. Oh, did I already get out? Okay. Yep. Yep. So all out of the target position and all out of the EDRY position. I've doubled up on my short on Shopify. However, it's still not continuing yet, but it may. Buy 30,000 because 25,000 is the literal cutoff, and you're going to drop below that during your first trade. So you need some padding, and also you need several months between 3, 6, and 10 months of learning before you even make your first real money day trade. You might as well swing trade till then, and let's say you have $5,000 and get that up to 30,000 by swing trade. VLON just totally crapping out now. High volume, but that is moving. Breaking over the key level of 5 goes from here. MITQ. Ah, there's one that looks like it's happening. MITQ. Getting close to pre-market high of $1.80. If you can get up there and break $1.80, it may break and head to $2. MITQ, MITQ. Dow's very weak. The whole market is just broadly dropping off right now. You don't want to be in anything. Hey, if you got a position that's going up right now, fine, keep it. But if it's not, get rid of it. There's just going to be multiple days of this, and this is going into the weekend. So news is going to travel hard, and on Monday is going to really sell off more. CLF is doing all right. And this one CD, the $5 level here. Netflix trying to make a push. Not really. You see how tiny that is? All right, MITQ having some potential now. Looking for $1.79. Push and break over $1.80. It seems to have the volume. There's a lot of excitement and activity on MITQ, MITQ. Trading is pretty heavy. probably about 5 times the activity of VLON. Yeah, DWAC is not doing anything. Feed so it doesn't clog my. Right, getting a little nibble here at 169. Start and get my cost average down. But it did not just break over 170. Okay, it's starting to test 170 on MITQ. We need to see if we can break over 179, 180. Entry at the break of 180. Okay, getting some more progress on MITQ. It wants to go hit 172. Progress. There it is, 172. '73, 174. Over 175 now. Okay, there's 175, grabbing a little more. 177. We're going in big at 179. 76. 75. All right, here comes 77. Nope, 75. Six. 74. 72, 71. 9. Okay, I'm going to get out half my position around here. Bounce off of the bottom there on the Qs, probably a liquidity trap. So I think, oh, the bottom's in, and then they start buying it up. But they're 4 points to a downtrend, and 2 of them are up. $172 on. The MLS showing a lot of strength holding this flag. I'll take a little position, a little nibble. Acting so strong and up today. CMLS. First swing. very small, conservative, micro starter. Conditions, and that it's in broadcasting. Drop looks like it's ready to drop. Yeah, we doubled up on it earlier. Maybe you weren't here, Mac, or maybe you're just updating me. Oh, I don't follow biotechs at that level. Like putting together all the different stages and their path. Yeah, so asking the wrong guy for a biotech opinion. But I can look at their chart, and that's about it, because fundamentals on biotechs are awful. And the chart looks horrible, just terrible, just damn terrible. I have no interest in it. Right, exiting that MITQ position, it was very small. Esther didn't really follow through. Sneezing. Yes. Bless you. That's my wife in the kitchen. Anybody got any positions in the swing 100 they'd like me to check on? That you're not sure if you should sell? Given the way the market is acting right now? Holding it? What platform do I use to make my trades? Oh, how many? I use Think or Swim. Ooh, MITQ starting to happen now. Getting a nibble at 177. I like this pattern. It's looking pretty strong. Down here at 172. Just snowballing together a little position. One tiny bite at a time. I'm using DOS Trader right now. Connects to Thinkorswim. Check out the WA. That being trending. Like, what were the people saying for like a week there? They were saying something really weird on TikTok. I forget. It was really silly. I just created an automatic filter so no one could No one can make those silly comments. All right, we're watching MITQ. Get through one. If you can get to 177 and start to chop through that level, I'll size up there, and then I'm really going to size up at 179. So far, not. What do I think about Tesla today? I don't know. For what, Ron? Scalp for a day trade, for a day swing, for a short swing, for a long-term swing, short-term investment, for a medium-term investment, for an investment. But for day trade, no idea. Pull it up and day trade it, man. And day trades happen like that. From the looks of it, I wouldn't day trade it because it looks like it's going to be a choppy day, and you can't make money on chop days. Correction. $77. There we go. 179. 180. Take over that 179, 180 mark. There it is. 182, 184, 183, 184, 185, 187, 185. Get up to like 188. That's I'll start selling up there. 2. Rising down. Okay, 185. $186, $187. All right, there we go. $183, $184. Okay, all out there. At a profit. As it decides what it wants to do. And when we get to 189, I'll try again. The breakout stocks right now really not giving a lot of turn or push, but it can happen. The moment, every dog has its day. Trying because there'll be that one moment potentially. But you want to keep climbing the wall. You want to be on the other side of the wall. You want to only be climbing. Get in when there's a lot of green going on. could be a moment on Twitter today. That could be a potential swing trade entry on Twitter. No, disregard that. It's just not enough volume. Yeah, same. Not feeling Tesla. Bit choppy. It feels like everything on the market is very weak right now, especially the market's going down. Buy and the Dow Industrials definitely going down. All right, getting some more action on MITQ. Oh, pulling back to the 181 level. Still bullish on energy in general? Probably. I mean, just look at a chart. We can let's see what's the general thought there. Yes. And we are now up over yesterday's close, so that could potentially be an early entry signal on projected breakout volume. So that could be an early entry signal in energy. Oh, NAT is Nordic American Tankers. Okay. And MITQ with a really large sell-off just now. That's why you don't in it when it's not printing green. Yeah, last 2 days. Well, yeah, today's good because it's up above yesterday's close on breakout volume. That's an entry on XLE. You can use that for an entry. I'll alert that to the group right now. So the trade on MITQ is pretty much over. And that takes us completely off of all opportunities. Looks like it's going to be somewhat of a lackluster day unless you're shorting, which you can do. There goes Tesla now. Tesla's taking on some good direction to the upside. We were talking about that. So there may be some move you can get there on Tesla. But other than that, okay, I'm going to see you guys in the group. You guys have a great weekend. And that's the Morning Momentum show this morning. Not a whole heck of a lot to write home about. But let's keep an eye on things. And if I don't see you again, have a great weekend. And I'll see you on Monday morning. Otherwise, everybody, members, let's go into the group. You can always join each other in the live trader lounge and hang out there. Share your screens, get on webcam, talk to each other, trade together over in the live trader lounge. All right. See you soon. Yeah. Boring day.